Hello everyone. Today we will learn a new chapter in English grammar, that is subject and verb agreement. In this chapter we are going to learn several rules, and you know what? The rules are quite simple. The first and the foremost thing which I would like to tell you is that a verb must always agree with its subject in number and person. So, to understand this chapter, we have to learn several rules. So, without any further delay, let's get started with this new chapter. So, the first point here is a singular subject takes a singular verb and a plural subject takes a plural verb. For example, the dog barks, the dogs bark. Here you can see that the singular subject, the dog, takes up a singular verb, barks, whereas the plural subject, the dogs, takes up a plural verb, bark. I hope that you have understood with the help of this example. Now next we have the verb and its subject in a sentence must agree in person. The three categories of persons are first person, second person and third person. Here you can see the three categories of persons. Observe the verb that agrees with each. I read, you read, he or she reads, we read, you all read, they read. You'll notice first person I and second person you are exception here. They agree with the plural verb read, whereas he, she, it means the third person agree with a singular verb. So, by this explanation, I would like to tell you that the verb and its subject in a sentence must agree in person. Next we have the verb is plural if two or more singular subjects are joined by and. Yes, with the help of conjunction and, we can join two or more singular subject and make it as a plural subject. For example, Rahul and Sachin are playing cricket. Here you can see that these two singular subjects together make a plural subject, and because of that the verb follows here is plural verb. But to the contrast of this rule, we have another rule, that is the verb is singular if two singular subjects separated by and but refers to the same person or thing. For example, my friend and guide happens to be my brother. Here you can see that two singular subjects, that is friend and guide, are referring to the same person, that is brother. So, these are two rules which go hand in hand. Now next we have the verb agrees with the first noun or pronoun when the subject consists of two nouns or pronouns joined by, with, or as well as. For example, my father with his brothers has bought some land for farming. Here you can see that father is singular subject and another subject here is brothers, which is plural in nature. But when we connect these two subjects together with the help of with, the verb which follows here is has or the singular verb. So this is one more rule. Now next we have the verb is singular when two or more singular subjects are connected by or nor, and two singular subjects are connected by either or neither nor. For example, Samay, Vinay or Naveen organizes such events regularly. Here you can see that Samay, Vinay and Naveen are three different individuals, and the verb which follows here is singular verb. Next we have, if two subjects connected by either or, neither nor are of different persons, then we use the verb that agrees with the subject nearest to it. For example, either you or your brothers are lying. Here the rule is justified, as you can see that the verb agrees with the subject nearest to it. Then the last point here in this chapter is, the verb is singular if the sentence begins with each, everyone, everybody, anyone, anybody, and some more. Then the singular verb is used. For example, each of the girls has long hairs. Here you can see that we have two girls, but as the sentence is beginning with each, we have to use singular verb with it. So that's all for today. Thank you, students.